Hey guys, so Tilda is a really awesome, probably if not the most awesome website building tool available online. I'm going to quickly walk through its design so you guys know how to click and design different pages on Tilda. Let's just start out with a basic business template. Let me create this page. So when I create a new page, if I choose a template, which I highly recommend you guys do for pretty much any page because it's easily editable, I then have different blocks of content that are lined up one on top of the other. And then I can make different pages that link to other pages and create headers and footers, which are separate topics from there. But if I wanted to make, let's say, Yasha's data science consulting practice, I could say tech consulting services and talk quickly about we provide awesome data services to companies that can't build data capacities. And you can see what I'm talking about. It's easily editable within these template blocks. I can see the settings of each block real quick, which give me the background scroll effect, the height, the width, the filter colors, how dark those filter colors are. I can make this lighter. I can save, see the result on the picture. I could go through the buttons, the typography. There's a lot of different things to play with here, and it's worth looking at them all in depth. So settings is where I would look at the basic structure behind each block. I would hit save and close like I just did to actually see what happens to a block. And then if I really wanted to see what was on the block itself, I could edit the content, change the title or the description like I just did by clicking, change the background image, change the button, see where the button links potentially to another page or to another URL that I might have, so on and so forth. I think the other big thing to know about Tilda before you guys start playing with it on your own is how to create what are called zero blocks or completely custom blocks. So let's say I made this very simple text block a zero block instead of the text one that it is already automatically. I would go to settings, scroll all the way down. I'll move this little talking blob of me out of the way so you can see convert to zero block. I'll convert without saving content, so note that you should always save content before you convert. And now all that shows up is this block editor part. So when I hit the block editor, I'm taken to what is the zero block page. So now it's important to recognize that the zero block allows you full control of whatever you're controlling and editing on Tilda. So up at the top, you'll see whatever version of the site I'm designing for. So I can design separate versions of this block for different devices depending on their screen size. Desktop is what I care most about right now. So I'm going to go ahead and stick with that. I can edit the text as I please here. I can even move it around on this page. The immediately highlighted white window is the general size of what I'm looking at. And you'll note that there are two parts to the block. It's the grid container and the window container. The grid container is really the main core part of the website. The window container is this purposefully built-in space that makes your website not look too crowded, but that you can optionally start putting blocks into here. So if I just change the location of this block and hit save and then close, you'll see it's moved all the way to the left. Now, obviously, if I go outside the window container, it's going to start bleeding into the white space that I have outside on this left side of the website. So as we watch it update, we'll wait for it. It's all the way to the left, and that doesn't look really that great. So stick to window and grid sizes as much as you can. That's it for a really quick introduction to Tilda. If you guys have more questions, ask your coach, post in the questions channel, use the resources available to you. Thank you.